Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change TikTok username and how to change your TikTok nickname at the same time. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then you want to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile. Then I want you to look at your profile and click on the left button that is called edit profile. When you click edit profile, you will have plenty of options. You can change your name, you can change your username, and essentially you can change your bio, you can link particular websites to it, you can add your Instagram, and you can add your YouTube. Very simple. All you gotta do is to click on name and then change your name. You gotta click on username and change your username. The same part over here is that the username that you want to change to might not be available. So before you attempt to change your username, you want to make sure that you have plenty of different usernames next to you, so you'll be able to have at least one of it to go through. Because on top of your head, you want to have like combination of different usernames and numbers and underscores, for example, because a lot of new accounts have been created, so a lot of usernames have been taken already. So you want to make sure that you're ready for it and you will be able to go through the process. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.